Hey, yeah, I picked up this door lock. It was cheap at a garage sale, and I noticed it says the reliable Qiangshi, I'm not sure how to pronounce that, only opens for the host. So it should be a secure lock. When I open it up, yeah, door lock, and got everything there needed to install this door lock. Again, I did choose one that had a lot of ups and downs. This was the best one that I could choose from. The other ones were not very good. So, but I don't have to worry because it says it only opens for the host. So I won't be able to get into this unless I've got the key. So I lock it, go to the other side. It's indeed locked. I put in the key and it pops out. So this time, if I don't try and use the key, I can't open it, and I won't be able to pick it either because it only opens for the host. So I've got my triple peak rake here, and I'll use a tensioner maybe just like this, trying to show you on camera at a strange angle. Okay, so I'm going to do, and it still is locked, by the way. So what I'm going to do, I might have to put that tensioner in deeper. Actually, I was hoping that I could just do it a little bit. Okay, let's try that. So I'm going to put in my triple peak rake. Just going to rock. See how it opened so quickly? Well, it mustn't have opened because it only opens for the host, so just do a bit of rocking. And it opens that quickly, just with a little bit of rocking. So this is not a secure door lock after all, and I'm interested to know whether a bobby pin would work. So I'll just go and grab one. Hang on. Okay, I've got a bobby pin, and I think it's still locked. I think a bobby pin might open this because this lock is really not very secure at all. So I'm going to just open this up 90 degrees or so. I'm going to bite off the rubber bit at the end. Okay, so I need my tensioner. Put them down there, get some tension going on. So what I'm going to do, since this is just flat, I'm just going to try and go up and down, and see if I can simulate that triple peak and see if it'll open. It's still locked. Okay, I'm going to put it in. I'm going to go up and down. It's just light tension. I'm pulsing the tension a little bit. See if I can, oops. See if I can convince this to open. Want my tension slipping around. Try that from this side. I need a longer tensioner, I think. Okay, I've got a longer one. Okay, so still locked up. I'm hoping this tensioner will work with this bobby pin. Okay, so I'm going to just go up and down, trying to just get those pins maybe in the right place. And I'm wondering whether this will work, because this lock is so insecure that just by jiggling the bobby pin I might be able to get into it. Okay, and I got into it. Took a bit longer, but it does show that, I mean, a straight, oh, it's not so straight now. I've got a bit bent with all my jiggling, but basically a straight piece of bobby pin, jiggling it about, was able to get into this lock. So that shows how not secure this lock is, and it shows that it will open for not just the host. I wouldn't recommend putting this in your door. Thanks.